Hello, good morning students. Myself Jyoti Saroj welcomes you all to the virtual session of Work and Energy. Student, this is the second module of this chapter. I hope you all had seen first module of this chapter. So let's begin. Student, in the previous module we had already covered the topic work and energy. In this module, we are going to learn about forms of energy, which is on page number 78 of your textbook. So, there are 5 types of energy, or you can say 5 forms of energy: mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, and chemical energy. Now, let's discuss these all energy in detail. First form is mechanical energy. What will happen as a result of the action in this picture, as you can see here? The rubber band is released after stretching it. A stone is held in the rubber of a catapult. The rubber is stretched and released. So student, in the above example, we see that when the rubber of a catapult is stretched and released, it comes back to the original state and the stone flies off. Similarly, when the spring of a toy is wound and then released, the toy starts playing. When water stored at a height is made to fall on a wheel, the wheel starts rotating. In each of these actions, displacement takes place, which means that work is done. So, from where is the energy obtained to do this work? So, the energy which is stored in an object due to a specific state or position of that object is called potential energy. As student, I told you, once again I am repeating, the energy which is stored in an object due to a specific state or position of that object is called potential energy. The energy used for doing mechanical work is called mechanical energy. There are 2 types of mechanical energy, namely potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy is obtained due to position and kinetic energy by motion. Now let us see about kinetic energy. It's the energy an object has due to motion. Examples: a moving bowling ball has energy that causes the pins to fall. This energy is called kinetic energy. The skydiver has kinetic energy, which is because of motion. A ball kicked by a football player has a kinetic energy. Imagine those 2 rocks are rolling down the hillside with the same speed. Which one will have more kinetic energy? Which one will cause more damage if they hit something at the bottom? The larger rock could cause more damage because it has larger mass and has more kinetic energy than the smaller rock. Kinetic energy also depends on speed. The faster object has more speed and has more kinetic energy. Transferring kinetic energy. Kinetic energy could be transferred from one object to another when they collide. Means जब वो टकराते हैं तो एक एनर्जी से दूसरे एनर्जी में kinetic energy can be transferred. The bowling ball does not touch all the pins, but it can knock them down with one roll. The bowling ball transfer kinetic energy to few pins. The pins will transfer this kinetic energy to each other and knock them down. Transfer of kinetic energy take place when dominoes fall. When you tap the first domino, you give it a kinetic energy. Then the domino will fall into the next one and the kinetic energy will be transferred from one domino to another. This skater has no kinetic energy as she is standing at the top of the hill and not moving. As the skater moves down, she is moving faster and her kinetic energy increases. Remember, energy cannot be created nor be destroyed. So, where does this kinetic energy come from? So, from gravity pulls the skater down the hill. If the skater was standing at the bottom of the hill, gravity would not start her moving. When the skater is at the top of the hill, she has a form of energy called potential energy. Let us see now about potential energy. It's the energy that is stored because of an object's position. The higher an object is lifted above earth, the greater is its potential energy. So from top, potential energy will be greater. Then it will step, then down. Okay, lowest potential energy. When the balloon is blown, there is a potential energy, and when the balloon is inflated, there is a kinetic energy. Then when the ride is on the top, there will be kinetic energy. Then bottom, there will be potential energy. Kinetic energy at the bottom, then energy, potential energy, energy out, then there will be kinetic energy. Again kinetic energy, energy in, there will be potential energy. Minimum potential energy, minimum kinetic energy, maximum potential energy, minimum kinetic energy. When you throw a ball upward, it is moving the fastest, so it has maximum kinetic energy. As the ball moves upward, it slows down and stops for an instant. As the ball moves downward, it speeds up and the potential energy is transferred into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. The energy obtained from motion is called kinetic energy, as I told you. Next is heat energy. The earth receives heat in proper quantities from the sun. That is how an atmosphere temperature favorable to the living world is maintained. Heat is a form of energy. Sunlight contains heat energy. Heat is produced by burning of fuel. Heat energy is used in the kitchen all the time. Heat is measured in the unit calorie. Take a student. Do an activity. Take a convex lens and hold it over a sheet of paper in sunlight. Now move the lens in such a way that there is a tiny spot of light on the paper. Hold the lens in this position for a while. What happens? So, the earth receives heat in proper quantities from the sun, as I told you. So, it will burn. Next is light energy. We have learned that plants make their own food with the help of sunlight. It means that light energy is transferred into the energy in food. Plants and animals use this food for doing their work. It means that light is a form of energy. Sound energy. You might have seen the glass panes of window crack due to a loud noise. Similarly, sound is used to control the movements of some toy cars. This means that some work is done by sound. It tells us that sound is a form of energy. Chemical energy. When wood burns, we get heat and light. Sometimes we hear a crackling sound as well. What makes this happen? The energy stored in wood is emitted in various forms through chemical action. Also, it is due to chemical action in the lead acid battery that electrical energy is produced. So, the energy obtained through chemical action is called chemical energy. You can see here chemical energy gives electrical energy plus radiant or light energy. So light energy, then there will be chemical energy, electrical, thermal. Chemical will be converted into mechanical. Chemical will be converted into mechanical. Transformation of energy. In the course of water cycle, water evaporates due to the heat of the sun. This water vapor forms clouds that give rain. Rainwater flows into rivers and is stored in reservoirs on dams. These are at a height and therefore their water has potential energy, which is transferred into kinetic energy as the water falls downwards. When the water falls on the blades of turbine, its kinetic energy is transferred to the turbine. The turbine rotates, producing electrical energy. This electricity gets transferred into various other forms of energy. Electrical energy is used in our houses for various purposes. It is transferred into light energy on lighting a bulb, into kinetic energy on standing a fan, into sound energy while playing a music system, and into heat energy in an oven. The sun is the most important source of all energy. Energy transformation. Energy transformation occurs if energy changes from one form to another. When the car sits in sunlight all day, the energy in sunlight changes to heat energy that warms the inside of the car. Chemical energy is stored inside your muscle. When you push down on a bicycle pedal, chemical energy is used to make your leg move. The chemical energy stored in your muscle is transferred to energy of motion. During energy transformation, the total amount of energy remains the same. Energy is never lost or gained, it only changes form. Transformation of energy. As you can see, kinetic energy can be transferred into chemical energy, electrical energy can be transferred into chemical energy, can be transferred into electricity, mechanical energy can be transferred into light and sound energy. So energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transferred from one form to another. As you can see, energy transformation from chemical to light, from chemical to mechanical, electrical to light, electrical to heat, and light to chemical. Student, I want to give a small assignment based on this module. What are the various forms of energy? Explain each form of energy in details. Why should we save energy? What is green energy? In which form is energy stored in plant food? How is energy obtained from cooking gas? Student, today we will stop here. In next module we are going to continue with the interesting topic. Till then, student, take care.